In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load a PDF file in a VB.NET form. By the end, you'll have a Windows Forms app that opens a PDF automatically when the form loads, using a built-in control and just a single line of code. Start by opening your Windows Forms project and bring up the Form Designer. With the form visible, open the toolbox and look under Common Controls. Find the web browser control and drag it onto the form. This control can render web content, and on Windows it can display PDFs using the system's PDF capabilities. Resize the control so it fills the form. A quick tip here. In the Properties window, set Dock to fill. Docking makes the control automatically resize with the form, so it looks good at any window size without extra layout work. Now let's load the PDF. Double-click an empty area of the form to open the code view and create the form's load event handler. Inside that method, add this code: private subform load sender as object, e as event args, handles mybase.load web browser 1. Navigate c/pdfs sample.pdf end sub. That's it. When the form opens, it navigates directly to the PDF file path you provide. Replace c+pdf with the full path to your PDF. Make sure the file exists at that location and that your app has permission to read it. If you prefer to keep the PDF next to your executable, you can build the path using your application startup folder at runtime, but the idea remains the same. Point navigate to a valid PDF file, press start to run the app. As the form loads, the web browser control initializes and renders the PDF right inside your window. You can scroll, zoom, and interact with the document using the viewer's built-in controls provided by the system. If the PDF doesn't appear, confirm that the path is correct and that Windows can display PDFs on your machine. On many systems, the web browser control leverages the installed PDF viewer or built-in components. Installing a modern PDF reader or ensuring default PDF handling is configured can help if you run into issues. For a cleaner layout, keep docs set to fill and consider setting a minimum size for the form so the PDF remains readable. This approach is great for quick internal tools, document previews, or any scenario where you need a simple embedded PDF display without extra libraries. And that's all you need to load a PDF file in a VB.NET form with just a few clicks and one line of code.